management. Welcome to TED Talks. I thought that when I threw plastic bottle away, it was fine because it is something that is so small that can cause any harm to the environment. But it turned out that plastic is incredibly bad for the environment. Even things that seem so small and magnificent. Let's say it's a sticker on the apples. You know it's a fair trade logo on the apple that say what farmer can do to get a better deal and money. This sticker attempting to do good often gets ripped off as they are not particularly tasty. The ad sticker is being rolled into a neat box and being flicked onto the street. The sticker on the street is being blown by the wind to the Trần, and the Trần leads to the sea, and the sea leads to the river. Now, this adventure becomes terrifying interesting, and this sticker from the other wash away plastics. Now, this sticker, let's claim Cherry. There's a number of places he can now go. First is in the stomach of the sea creatures. Let's say it's a really cute sea turtles. A sea creature often mistake plastic as yummy jellyfish. They eat them and it in vegetable kills them. There are many plastic is flowing on the sea, millions in fact. Now, 8 out of 10 seabirds have plastic in the stomach. Fish as well. This affects our food chain because we eat the plastic that we ate earlier. Yum! Or Cherry can go to the ever so famous plastic beaches. This is the result of dumping 80 million tons of plastic into the ocean every year. And by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in the oceans. Or Cherry can float back one of the 5 massive gyres. But sadly, Cherry gets pulled along to the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, the biggest of them all. Now, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch consists 2.4 million tons of trash in it, and it covers about 1.4 square kilometers. That's 2 times bigger than Texas. If I threw him on the ground, it would be like this. And if I threw him on the street, it would be like this. And if all of you in the first row threw him away, it would be like this. And if all of you threw him away, it would be like this. But sadly, I'm not here to present a revolutionary item that can help to save our futures. But I am here to tell you a few small steps that can help to save our future. Firstly, recycle. This is avoiding us adding plastic that is floating around the oceans that are equivalent of 700 plastic per person. Secondly, you can ban microplastics. Microplastics are usually found in toothpaste, body scrubs, and face wash. You can personally avoiding buying them. Thirdly, you can not banning plastic bags. France is banning them, and Rwanda have completely banned them. And fourthly, you can say no straws. You have to sip your drink through a straw. And finally, you can reuse cups, containers, and plastic bottles. It all takes us to do the small step. You have to create